Allah is very kind to His creations, especially humans. He loves His men and women on earth. But if we do a lot of sins and suddenly our life is turning worse, it means Allah is angry with us because we follow Satan and forget Allah in our daily life. So the question of today is, how can we make Allah happy again and bring our life to normal and full of blessing? These methods you need to follow, I think so. So these are three I am describing today. First of all, always thank to Allah for everything He has given you without paying anything. I mean, just for free. Just think about all the complex structures of your body, universe, life, survival systems, foods, and a lot of His blessing which He is doing to you without your intention and for free. Completely free. Definitely, if you remind all these, He will bless you more. Allah says in Quran, if you thank to Him, He will give you more. The second method to make Allah happy is to seek forgiveness from Allah regularly. Allah says in Quran, seek your Lord's forgiveness, for He is truly most forgiving. He will shower you with abundant rain, supply you with health, wealth, and children, and give you gardens as well as rivers. So this is the method. The third one is always remember Allah in your heart. As He says in Quran, surely in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find comfort. Stick with these methods to make Allah happy. There are a lot of other ways in list, but if you want to learn Quran and Islam from a teacher, visit alquranlab.com.